Học cái gì không? Đúng rồi lên.
Environmental what?
Engineering.
Oh, geez. I don't know anything about that.
Bạn biết điều đó.
No.
Ờ.
Your English is really good, though.
No.
Yeah.
So.
Yes.
Trên level baby. Trên level baby. Baby level.
Yeah.
Um,
How long can you go?
I've been in Vietnam
Đấy,
almost
bữa
a
cái tờ
month,
giấy ra lại.
but I've been in Saigon for 4 days.
Ôi.
Yeah. I go to Cambodia tomorrow. Yeah.
My teacher asked us to make a video.
Video.
Yes.
Hello, teacher.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Hello, teacher.
Teacher, thank you.
My teacher will happy about yes.
How old are you?
Number one.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
24.
Oh.
I'm 22.
22.
I'm the same you.
Did you get it? Yeah, I just turned 24 in Bali, Indonesia.
What do you do in California?
California, I finished university, so I have my degree. I was a waitress and a bartender.
That's
After I finished school, I quit both my jobs and I left the country about 8 months ago.
Oh.
I've been traveling.
Oh.
You
So,
you don't want to find a new job?
I don't need to yet. I still have money.
Relax.
No, I'm just traveling, backpacking around.
Yeah, you have money.
What?
So now you have money, so
Help.
you can buy a job.
I'm almost out of money. So I'm going home in 3 weeks.
So when you
It's over.
completely out of money, okay, you buy a job.
Wait, what?
When you completely
Our money to find job, a new job.
Find a new job, yeah. My visa is up, so my visa,
Oh,
the,
yeah.
the 30-day visa is running out, so I can't
Yeah.
stay. Yeah,
How do you feel about food up now?
it's so good.
Oh,
I'm vegetarian though.
vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
Oh.
so
Are you hungry right
no
now?
meat. Not yet, but soon.
Chạy bữa đâu vậy?
Nó sớm, nó sớm.
Chạy sao đâu, đó có chạy mà.
No, you can.
Chạy
You wanna take a picture?
Yeah.
No, like everybody. Yeah. Just we don't have to.
We don't talk anymore.
1, 2, 3.
We will
I
have
taught English in Thailand
After we talk, we want to invite you to have lunch.
to have lunch.
Yes.
Together.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm doing it.
and when we are finished, when we are finished
Quay chặt chẽ.
conversation, we have a picture.
Picture.
Yeah.
Absolutely. What else? Yeah, I taught English in Thailand.
Yeah.
I volunteered with the elephants.
I got you. Can use. Yeah.
And I went to a local school.
Yeah.
They were 8 and 9 years old, the kids,
Yeah,
and I taught English there.
Okay.
They wanted to learn about different fruits, like banana, watermelon, how to say it. I taught them that. I'm so slow.
Yeah. Because it's so
How are
hot.
you
Yeah.
How do you wear pants?
Because because we are living here.
Want to learn as well?
Crazy man. Superman.
Very hot too.
Don't trust him.
Oh, you.
Hot too. Wait.
Amazing.
I'm just saying I don't
I think
understand it.
California had the same.
It's nice weather, but
Oh,
because
yeah.
I live in Southern California, but it's not humid.
Oh yeah, okay.
It's
Ê mày
very
nãy giờ mày không bay con
sticky.
kiến cua này đâu mày?
Yeah.
It's very sticky
Ủa?
here. The air
Đâu?
feels sticky.
Con,
Ờ.
con chim bóng
I
bay
live
hả?
at the
Trời ơi.
beach.
Yeah, the beach.
Yeah, so it's ocean breeze.
Oh.
No
Còn
nice
phải dùng món
wind all the
tụi mày là
time.
còn view.
Yeah, I can show you.
Cạn lời.
You can keep asking me questions. What do you want to learn? I don't know.
How long have you been here?
Hỏi rồi.
Hỏi chồng. À chưa hỏi, giờ tao hỏi. Mày về theo câu hỏi sinh động rồi.
1 month Vietnam, but 4 days Saigon.
Yeah. And right now where do you live?
I'm staying at a guest house just down this alley.
Yeah.
No, it's a guest house, like a hostel sort of. Yeah.
And where did you go in Ho Chi Minh City?
Mà ta 4 ngày hỏi quay đến Việt Nam đi.
This is the sunset where I live.
Oh,
Yeah.
Amazing.
That's one of
Mà
my
không sao được sao?
that's one of my favorite surf spots where I surf.
where is it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Wait.
San Diego, California.
Oh,
Okay.
Xạo xạo. Ê, đừng có lịch sự là đừng có lướt qua chỗ khác. Ông nội.
sorry.
Trên điện thoại người ta còn lướt.
Vui mà.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Trời.
Yeah, I didn't go there.
Vậy cái cười đâu gì?
Pretty. Yeah.
Từ 4 quán ở hôm nay.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
21.
24.
Là 4 rồi.
Chơi chùa.
22?
Yes.
22? 19?
Oh,
How old are you?
Chen.
30.
20.
20.
30.
Under. Under.
Yeah, I can. I'm really young.
Oh, Chen 25.
And you? And teacher? Teacher, how old are you?
13.
How old? 18. And you guys are in university or
Yes,
is it
yeah.
high school or university?
Finish.
College?
You just finished.
School, yes.
Okay.
And start. I begin through university.
Yeah. Did you have school today?
No.
No.
I graduated.
Day off. Fridays. No school Fridays.
Oh.
Really?
We are on summer vacation.
Summer vacation. Okay.
Yes.
But you still want to learn. It's good. Very
Mình
good.
nói là mình đang thấy
When
học.
does
Mình đi học.
when does vacation finish?
Khi nào mà nó kết thúc?
1 week. How long has it been?
Wait. 2 months. No, 3 months.
3 months. That's
Treatment
good.
for
Yeah.
excellent tourists and
Okay.
treatment for high university.
Yeah.
The end of
I like
August.
your hat.
Yeah. my
Mày chốt.
friend.
Yeah.
David.
Cool. Yeah, I just went to the War
Thank you.
Museum.
Oh, War
It made
Museum.
me very sad.
Yes.
I actually had to leave. It made me feel sick.
Oh, yeah.
Learning about what my country did to us. It's very sad. And I'm sorry.
Oh.
No worry.
Yeah, it makes me like, oh,
So dear.
it's very sad.
Wow.
It made me feel sick in my stomach.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't like it.
So this is my friend. Yeah.
Friend, she wants to learn too.
You got her age. Her
My
age.
friend.
Shut
You guys
14. Yes.
14.
Yes, 14.
No. 18. How old are you?
Trail.
11. You still clip number 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whose is this?
Tối thêm đi, xí đi. Ăn cũng quay luôn.
What else? Do you have brothers and sisters? Siblings? Brothers, sisters? Siblings? So that's called sibling. Your siblings since you're, yeah. So younger or older
yeah.
siblings, yeah.
I have one sister
Yeah.
and one brother and one younger sister.
Yeah.
How about your family?
I have one older sister. We're just 1 year apart. 1 year, yeah. So she has a little baby.
Oh,
She's very cute. Yeah. I'll show you. My niece. So
Oh.
when your sibling has a girl, it's a niece, and then nephew
yes.
is the boy. Yeah, you know
Yeah.
that.
I know.
This is
Tài không
her.
em trai?
Oh, so
Very
cute.
cute. Yes.
That's my
Very
niece.
nice.
She's almost 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Almost.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah,
almost.
she's
Yes.
10 months right now.
Oh.
Yeah. And now where is she? She's in California. With your family? Yeah, with my sister. Yeah. Yeah. She was only 2 months old when I
Yes.
left, but I've
2
been
months
gone
old.
very long.
You go Vietnam on a trip or visit?
So I've been backpacking through Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
So I did, backpack, big backpack, very heavy backpack. I did Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, and I'm going to Cambodia.
Can you tell me a bit about Thailand?
Thailand. Yeah, that's where
Mày quay nó đi, mày quay nó đi.
Ủa?
That's
Lại đi
where,
cho bố chiếc vé.
Thailand.
yeah, Thailand. That's where I volunteered with the elephants and taught English.
Oh, yeah.
I went to 3 different
Chị hỏi
islands.
cho cô hỏi nó thêm phần sinh
I
động
did
sao hỏi lại 2 lần rồi.
Koh Tao, Koh Lanta, and Koh Phi Phi, the islands.
Con phát của nó 2.
And then I went to Bangkok. I didn't like it.
Yeah.
It's very
Bangkok is
dirty.
very noisy.
Very dirty and ugh. Everyone just drinks lots of
Have
that.
you come here? Have you go there?
And
Have you been there?
the north of Thailand is very nice. It's a bit cooler, very lush, lots of trees, and very beautiful. Did a lot of motorbike trips, a road trip all around.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know.
it was very fun. Yeah, I've been alone for 8 months traveling around. Yeah. Lonely or safe? I feel safe. I get lonely sometimes, but I'm always staying in a hostel with other people, and so you meet a lot of people. I like to talk to locals and hang out. I met a guy yesterday, his name is Ram, who took me on his motorbike. He's like an older guy with a family, and he showed me around. Some days I'm lonely, but it's good. You learn a lot about yourself when you're in another country alone.
Where are you going to go the next day? Tomorrow.
Cambodia.
Cambodia. Sắp có
so
tầm lại biết không? Tại nó chưa nghe.
I go to Cambodia by bus tomorrow.
The bus.
Yeah.
Bus.
Yeah. 6 in the morning. Yeah. And then home. And then home.
And then home. Yeah.
The adventure's over. 24. I just turned 24 in June. Yeah. Yeah. I've been to Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam,
Many places.
Mexico, and then states in America, Hawaii, New York, Florida.
I've never go to another place.
Oh, you've never been overseas?
If I want to go, I need to have a lot of money.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's hard. I
And
had
I'm
to.
just student. I'm just
Yeah.
and
I worked.
now
I worked 2 jobs while I was in school.
2 jobs.
2 jobs. So I was full-time university student, and I worked 2 jobs. hard work, but I did
lúc
it.
mà đi học á và đi làm qua chết rồi.
Giờ anh đi làm kiếm 10 triệu đi
Can
Thái Lan khó
you
không?
send me send you question?
Oh, what?
Do you like playing game?
Do I like
Game.
Playing game?
Playing game.
playing games?
Yes.
Playing
Playing game.
game. Yes, that's how you say it. Yeah, I do. What sort of games?
How do you think about Pokemon Go?
Oh, jeez. I think it's stupid.
Yeah.
Me too. I don't got people.
Me too.
Do you know why? Because video games in America have taken over and everyone's fat because they just sit in front of a screen
Yeah.
and it takes a stupid
And
it
it's
takes a
dangerous.
stupid game
Yes.
to get people outside.
Yeah.
It's not good.
Yes.
They should want to go outside and walk around just already. Do you know what I mean? So that's why I don't like it.
Yes. Just
I
him.
think it
Are you playing now?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we were
Not
learning
good.
here.
Not
I think
good.
it is very dangerous in
He can.
playing Pokemon Go.
He can like by his phone.
Driving when driving a car,
Very
it
dangerous.
can make accident. Yeah,
Yeah, very dangerous.
very dangerous.
Yeah.
He can play stupid game with stupid phone.